Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I need to do an update, guys. I wanted a new video up this week and I'm not able to, but the reason is slightly funny. Last week's video I talked about the courage to be able to make mistakes, and I hinted that the next video I was going to do was based off a mistake. Yeah, so I was working on that project, and I made a mistake on the mistake, so I got to refilm it. So I thought that was actually kind of funny, and I wanted to say, I really wanted it up for it, for Wednesday, and I just I gotta redo it because I messed up on what I was trying to do. And I think that's what's so funny, is I made a mistake when I'm trying to do a video that was based off a mistake. That's the kind of day I've been having, I guess. But I wanted to just pop on here and let you guys know that I do plan on having another video on next Wednesday. That's a tutorial video. I've got a few different things lined up, so I figured why not let you guys kind of know what's in the works. I definitely have a bag I want to do. I have a hat that's in the works. I do want to do a baby blanket soon on the all-in-one loom, because I do really like that loom for making baby blankets. So I'm planning on a baby blanket design. I'm kind of getting it in my head. I have an idea, so make sure you have your stitch markers ready because you're going to need them. So I've got a baby blanket idea coming on, a hat idea that I'm going to be working on, a bag I'm going to work on because I do like making bags, and I know that you guys like most of the bags that I make. So those are kind of in the works. The wreath idea videos that my cousin and I are collaborating on, those are in the works, hopefully this summer. I was hoping to have one of the wreath videos up in June, but I may have to push it a little bit because I need to find a few more things of supplies for it that I haven't been able to find yet. But that's kind of what's going on. I have things in the works, and so make sure you got your stitch markers ready, and make sure that you got, let me see, I think the all-in-one loom is going to be used for the baby blanket, so if you've got that, that's great. The hat one I'm working on, that's going to require a nifty knitter loom, or something similar probably, and I'll discuss that more when I do that video. And the bag video, I haven't decided which loom I'm going to use yet. I do like the nifty knitters for making bags, but I may use a different loom. I'm not sure. I don't have the biggest collection of looms, so I like showing you guys with basic looms. I have the all-in-one loom. I have a couple sock looms, which I don't really ever get really motivated to make socks that much. I apologize about that, but what else do I have? I have the nifty knitter looms, both the straight and the long, which are similar to the boy, I think I'm saying, boy looms that are out there. So that's kind of what's going on. I will say that the mistake video, the one I was supposed to be, has to do with the hat. I messed up doing what I was trying to take the mistake I made and switch it to show, oh, I made this mistake and it came out this good. And I made the mistake and a mistake, and I'm going, are you kidding me? So I have to refilm parts of it, so that's why there's a delay, and it'll be up next week instead of this week like I planned. I really am trying to put a new video on Wednesdays, and they're going to either be like this. They're either going to be like, hey, here's an update, here's what's going on, or they're going to be like a tutorial. I want to kind of make sure I'm connecting with you guys on a weekly basis of what's coming on, so that way you know that, hey, there is stuff going on behind the scenes. And some projects, let's just say, take a little longer. Like the baby blanket video will take a while to film, so you may see a video like this where I'm updating you on what's going on, maybe letting you know, hey, this is what's coming up, and just talking about looming in general kind of video on those weeks that I need extra time to film a longer project. Like I said, baby blankets take me a long time to do, so to film them, it takes even longer, because the looming process when you're filming is a lot different. I have to go off camera and do some of the stuff, so if I tell you on camera to knit 10 rows or something like that, you know yourself you're going to knit those 10 rows before you come back. Think of that time. There's a lot of time off screen that you don't always see when it comes to the looming videos. So the baby blanket video will take some time to film. And then, like I said, the hat video is the one that's a mistake video that I got to retweak. And then the bag video, like I said, I think I'm going to end up using my nifty knitters because I do like them the most for making bags. The long straight looms are the nifty knitters. So if you've got some of those or something similar, have them on hand, because you should be able to do this, the bag. Take what I do and kind of tweak it on whatever loom you have. So that's kind of what's going on. I apologize for not having a tutorial video up, but I just had to share with you guys that I made a mistake. I'm on a mistake video, so I need extra time to fix it. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you've ever made a mistake on a loom knitting project, because let's say, I know we've all been there. And if you know anybody that would be interested in the kind of content I put up here, like if you're in any loom knitting groups, please share some of my videos in those groups, because I can't be in every group, you know, to put the videos up. If you have a favorite video of mine, I would really love it if you'd share it in those groups that you belong to, just to help people know about me. I know I'm one of the more smaller loom knitting channels, and I haven't been producing as much, especially this last year, and I'm trying to get back into it, guys. So I would really appreciate your support and like getting the word out that, hey, here's a channel you may not have heard about. And that's kind of what I got going on. So I got to get back to work on my mistake, and I will see you next week. So have a great day, everyone.